One of the biggest ways to make money in the crypto space is to get involved into projects early before they go public. And many of the times, this opportunity is reserved for venture capital, big institutions, and large investors. It's not really available to everyone like you and me, just regular everyday investors. And I wanted to talk about a project today that is really trying to become the premier tokenized venture capital powerhouse. It's called Moonboots DAO. And ultimately, this project isn't really new. It's been around for quite a while. You could see them over on Twitter. I follow them for a while, and they're followed by some of the biggest names in the crypto space. But think of it like an elite angel club where anyone can get involved, and they get access to opportunities that most regular investors wouldn't be able to get involved in. So with Moonboots, it is ultimately becoming a DAO. They're launching the MBDAO token and fund and opening it up to the public to ultimately allow everyday investors to have opportunities to these investments for the first time. So if you're looking for like an opportunity to get into a high return project, but you didn't know how, maybe you wanted to get into some projects early, but you weren't able to, you see some people talking about projects where they got into private rounds and you weren't able to, well, this could potentially be an option for you because Moonboots isn't new to the crypto space. They have become a Web3 venture capital powerhouse over the last market cycle, over the last 4 or 5 years. They are well known for hunting out like the best projects in the crypto space, and they've had very successful track record of doing this. They've already raked in over $100 million plus in profits from tokens in the last bull market, and now with their transition into a decentralized autonomous organization like a DAO, it's opening up opportunities for everyone else to get involved with their success as well. So the reason why you should ultimately like care about this token is because imagine you're getting early access to projects that could potentially have a 50 to 500x return. Most of the time when a project launches, you've already seen a major inflow of capital from regular investors. You can't get a 500x return unless you're getting into a small meme coin. But these are high quality projects that Moonboots invest in. So Moonboots has the connections, they have the experience, they have a proven track record, and with their user base, it ultimately is going to help continue to even allow them to get even better opportunities moving forward. So the thing that gets interesting about it is when you go ahead and look on their website, you can go ahead and see that there's a few different options for actually contributing. And you can just click on contribute now, but ultimately there's a VIP access and a special access. And the VIP access says minimum of 100,000 MPAS tokens at 10 cents per token. You get Golden Grenade VIP NFT membership, CHAPZ token exposure, access to Moonboots private angel network, enhanced DAO staking and voting rights, fully vetted deal flow and DD reports, OTC offerings, and MoonPass portfolio management. The thing is that most people don't even understand that OTC offerings are projects that are already trading in live, and ultimately you can get in at better prices. So it's like, let's say a project's trading at $1 per token. There could be an OTC offering that allows you to buy those tokens at 80 cents per token. Ultimately, you're making money instantly when you have some OTC offerings. In addition to this, they also have the special access, which is the price of 10 cents per token. You have to have a minimum of $500 investment. It says IDO price of 12.5 cents, 10% TGE, 3 months linear vesting, MB1 membership NFT, passive growth through fund performance, stake for ecosystem rewards, crowdfunding access, and max cap of $3 million. So they have those two different things. So ultimately, the way to get involved in it is ultimately you just click contribute now. You can go ahead and contribute however much you want, but it has to be like, a minimum of the 500 to ultimately get access to that special one. But if you want to get VIP access, it needs to be a minimum of 10,000. So you can see that just on their main site, it says it all right here. Special access, minimum 500, VIP access, minimum of 10,000. And ultimately, you can do it with ETH, BNB, Polygon. You just enter your email, you need to connect your wallet, and then you can start getting those MBDAO tokens, the Moonboots DAO token. Other thing with this project is that if you're looking at other things on their website, some examples, and if you look on their Twitter, they talk about all of this. So really in the past, back in 2020, 2021, They had raised over $12.5 million, and the projects they invested in returned more than 40 times their value, amassing over $50 million in profit. So just imagine what a $10 million buyback could do for the value of MBDAO, Moonboots DAO token, so the MBDAO token. So when Moonboots invests, say, $15,000 into a project, and that hits 100 times its initial value, where they're going to use all of those profits to buy back the Moonboots DAO token. So this ultimately benefits everyone, stakers, people like the DAO treasury. It ultimately benefits the entire ecosystem, that whenever their projects do really well, they're going to use these profits to ultimately go ahead and buy back the Moonboots DAO token. So ultimately, if you're a more active investor, they have still 150 spots out of the 500 left for that VIP access, the one with the 100,000 tokens, where it's a minimum of $10,000. That allows you more opportunities, those OTC offerings that I said. But if you want to just be a general member, it is $500 minimum. Ultimately, you'll gain access to a cutting edge portal, making it easy to monitor performance, how the investments are doing, manage tokens inside NFTs, vote, stake, engage in the OTC marketplace, and their pre-launch progress is really impressive. They have over 15 projects already funded pre-launch, more than $300,000 in fees collected, potentially leading to over $10 million in token buybacks, and the project is set to launch in late April. Moonboots DAO token, so MBDAO token, is set to launch in late April. It's going to be a major milestone for their Moonboots and for the community. So if you're looking at this opportunity, you're looking to get involved in some crypto projects early, this is a way to basically be part of a venture capital firm, be part of a VC investment firm without any real minimum investments. It's like a $500 minimum to get involved, and allows you to get access into all these early investments, early stage projects through the Moonboots DAO.